Alright, for the loaded mushrooms, you got to start with either large white button mushrooms or baby portobellos. We got baby portobellos. You get those stems removed and get them nice and clean, and then set them aside to make your mix. Next step for the mushrooms is take a red onion and dice it. Alright, after you mince the onions, you gotta start frying up some bacon. Alright, you fry up the bacon, use half for the loaded mushrooms. Alright, once you're done frying the bacon, set it aside to drain and drain out some of the juice. Then take your red onion and throw it in the pan. You throw half of the red onion into the pan and you just cook it, and throw in 2 minced cloves of garlic. Just before you pull it off, you want to have it on here for about 4 or 5 minutes. So, I'm just going to give that some time and then set it aside. This is only half of the red onion also. You don't want to use all the red onion. Once you're done sauteing the onions, set them aside to cool completely. Now for the mushrooms, you throw in 10 ounces of soft cream cheese, the rest of your bacon, about 6 strips, or half a pound, a bag of frozen thawed spinach, and that onion garlic mix from when we fried up that bacon. And then you blend it all together, and that makes your filler. Then you take your mix and you throw it into the mushroom caps, and you put some grated Parmesan cheese, or shredded Parmesan cheese on top. Alright, once you got your cheese on there, throw them into the oven at 400 for 15 minutes, or until golden. And this is what they looked like after I ended up cooking them for 18 minutes. But they look real good. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think.